My name is Olivia Tiedemann, and I'm known for cooking, primarily, I hope. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I got started in cooking kind of accidentally. I was a food runner, actually. I was a server, I was a food runner, and I was just super attracted to. I started following the chef around, and that's kind of what started it. I like things that fully absorb your head and your hands and your body all at the same time. I like being immersed in a project, and cooking kind of checks a lot of those boxes. Not a lot of things check every sensory box. Cooking goes a step above everything else. Check it out. I got my first Messermeister knives probably 3 years ago. My boss gifted me a set of Messermeister knives, and he picked them out specifically because it said Oliva, which kind of looked like my name. And he gave them to me as like a congratulations gift because I got my first private chef job in the Hamptons. And I was so excited about them. Like, it was like the coolest thing that I owned, like my prized possession. I started making videos, and Messermeister was the very first company that really noticed that I existed, and the first brand that ever wanted to work with me was Messermeister, which is so cool. Yeah, and as time went on, we continued to be friends and work together on different things, and I don't know, that feels real to me. And now that we're making, the knife that we are now, is also really special and really interesting because it is completing the collection of knives that I was first gifted before any of this happened. We had an idea, we had a starting point. We definitely wanted to do kind of an all-purpose knife. Yeah, we wanted something kind of lightweight, a little bit smaller, a little bit sexy. I mean, look at her. We definitely wanted it to be able to rock, but we also wanted it to be able to slice. We wanted a sharp tip, a little bit smaller. We started at the baseline of utility knife, and we brought it to the true in-between of a utility knife and a chef's knife, and it works. So it's just a really cool little tool, and I think everybody should have something like this. You see it? The handle is olive wood, real wood, so you do have to oil it, clean it with soap and water, a little bit of a sponge, and then make sure you dry it. Never the dishwasher, and don't throw it in your utensils drawer. Keep it out. Keep it out on the counter. Put it on something like that, get a little bar like that. Having good knives makes your life a lot easier than you could probably imagine if you don't have one. Once you have a really good tool like this, everybody eats. Everybody has to cook sometimes. Having a really good knife will make your life easier, will make cooking move faster, will make the chore of cooking dinner, if it's a chore to you, a much simpler one. Having a good, sharp, long-lasting knife is really something everybody should have. You need to buy this one time, and you'll have it forever. This is a good knife. I like it a lot. We said everything there is to say about it. Go buy it and see for yourself. It's pretty cute, too.